Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn perimeter and area together, step by step. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Area is the surface it covers. We'll find both for the common shapes, including the circle. For a rectangle, the perimeter is twice length plus breadth, and the area is length times breadth. A square has perimeter 4 times the side, area side squared. A triangle's area is half base times height. A parallelogram's area is base times height. The height always measured perpendicular to the base. A circle's circumference is 2 pi r, and its area is pi r squared, where r is the radius and pi is about 22/7. For a circle of radius 7, the area is pi r squared. The 7 cancels with the denominator, leaving 22 times 7, 154 square centimeters. To recap, perimeter is the boundary length, area the surface, know the rectangle, square, triangle, and parallelogram formulas, and for a circle, circumference is 2 pi r and area pi r squared. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.